So just a couple days ago, I started a segment by saying some iteration of another day, another Trump lawyer that's in serious trouble. And once again, with this segment, another day, another Trump lawyer that got in trouble for what they did on behalf of Donald Trump. This time, of course, it is Jenna Ellis, who actually served as a senior legal advisor to Donald Trump in the aftermath of the 2020 election. She was effectively censured by a judge this week in the state of Colorado for misrepresentations of what actually took place in the 2020 election. Now, she admitted in court before the censure, which is what led to it, that she had in fact engaged in misrepresentations of what happened in the 2020 election. Misrepresentation is just a fancy, less offensive word for lying. See, here's a good example of that. If I were to say that I drive a Lamborghini, and then you find out, Farron, you drive a mid-size SUV, I would say, well, I guess that was a misrepresentation. You know, obviously, they both have four wheels and a steering wheel, so, you know, you could see how you could misrepresent such a thing. No, it would be a lie. So let's not call these misrepresentations. Let's call them what they are. Lies. Because that's what Jenna Ellis did. And in case you needed an example, how about 10? An independent watchdog group filed the complaint against Jenna Ellis, leading to the censure, and they provided 10 examples of times when Jenna Ellis misrepresented what happened in the 2020 election in the media. Raw Story has published the list, and here it is. I'm going to read all 10 just so you understand the difference between a misrepresentation and an outright lie. Number 1. Ellis falsely claimed on November 13th, 2020 that Hillary Clinton has still not conceded the 2016 election, even though Clinton called Trump to concede the day after the election took place. Number 2, Ellis went on the show of Maria Bartiromo and falsely declared that we have affidavits from witnesses, we have voter intimidation, we have ballots that were manipulated, we have all kinds of statistics to show that this was a coordinated effort in all those states to transfer votes either from Trump to Biden, to manipulate the ballots, to count them in secret. Didn't happen. Number 3, Ellis told Newsmax's Sean Spicer that, quote, we can prove the election was, quote, stolen from Trump in Nevada, Michigan, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Georgia. Also a lie. Number 4, Ellis falsely claimed on Twitter that, quote, we will present testimonial and other evidence in court to show how this election was stolen. But you weren't ever able to do that because it didn't actually happen. Number 5, Ellis falsely told MSNBC's Ari Melber that, quote, the election was stolen and Trump won by a landslide. Also didn't happen. Number 6, again appearing on Bartiromo's show, Ellis falsely claimed that when we subtract all the illegal ballots, you can see that President Trump actually won in a landslide. Number 7, days after this, Ellis would yet again appear on Bartiromo's show to make false claims about illegal ballots costing Trump the 2020 election. Number 8, during an appearance on Jeanine Pirro's show, Ellis falsely claimed that, quote, we have over 500,000 votes in Arizona that were cast illegally. Number 9, during an appearance on Greg Kelly's Newsmax show, Ellis falsely described Trump as the proper and true victor. And number 10, on Twitter, on December 22nd, 2020, Ellis falsely claimed that there was overwhelming evidence proving this election was stolen. Can we stop calling it falsely claimed? Can we stop with all of the fancy words? Misrepresentation. She falsely claimed. She misled. She friggin' lied. Okay? Like, can we just all agree to call it a lie because it's a lie? That's what we need to do. And just like every other Trump lawyer before her, she is now the one paying the price while Trump gets off scot-free. I'm glad she was censured, although censures mean absolutely nothing, by the way. It will probably impact her career to a degree, maybe, but it doesn't carry any actual consequences. She would have to be sanctioned in order for there to be consequences, not censured. Trump gets away with it. Her reputation is possibly irreparably damaged, which maybe she deserves it, maybe not, but the big guy, Trump himself, still remains unaccountable, and that is the biggest problem here. Hi, everyone. This here is little Athena, and Athena would like to know why you haven't subscribed to Fair and Balanced yet, so please, don't let Athena down. Subscribe today.